Hi amigos! I have it here, my amazing no gluten, no sugar cake. Looks fantastic and I promise it tastes even better. I share the recipe with a friend, Laura. We used to go to school together, but now she lives a bit farther. So we are always texting each other. Look. Hi, Laura. Hi. Have you made your chocolate cake? She says, yes, wait, we miss an A. Yes, I have. Okay, yes, I have. But it doesn't look good. Oh, it doesn't like good, like her cake. How's that? Have you followed? Oh, wait, sorry, I missed an E. Have you followed all these steps? And she says, yes, I have. I have mixed. Wait, you miss an E. I have mixed all the creamy and dry ingredients. Wait, let's check them one by one. Have you mixed the creamy ones, eggs, butter, and vanilla extract? Let's see what she's typing. She says, yes, I have. Great. And what about the dried ones? Cocoa powder, almond flour, the stevia, baking powder, and salt. Have you mixed them? She's texting. She says, I haven't. I haven't added the baking powder. That's the reason. That's the reason why your cake it's not looking good. And the baking powder is what makes the cake look bigger. So I think, sorry, Laura, you have to make your cake again.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello kids, so this is the last page of our book and we are going to do this with lots of love. All right, let's just start. We need to correct the mistakes in the following conversations between Patty and Laura. Yep, and I'm going to do it with this green color. So, hi Laura, hi. Have you, with E, have you made your chocolate cake? Yes, I have. But it doesn't look like good. It doesn't like good or it doesn't look good. I think it doesn't look, yeah, so like it's not okay. How's that? Have you followed? Followed. Have you followed with ed? FOLLOWED, all the steps. Yes, I have. I have mixed, MIXED, all the creamy ingredients. I have added, not has. Has is for he and she. I have added the dried ones. I have mixed them all and put them into the oven for 30 minutes. Have you mixed? No mixes. Have you mixed? ED, the eggs, butter, and vanilla, no vanilla. Vanilla. Yes, I have, not has. And have you, again, have you mixed the cocoa powder, the almond flour, the stevia, and the baking powder? Wait, baking powder? I think I haven't. HAVEN'. Let me check. No, I haven't. That's a problem then. I'm sorry, you'll have to make it back. MAKE. Yes, make it back. All right, so let's do this exercise slowly and carefully. Yes, remember how is it done? And most of all, how these words are written properly. And now it's time for you to paint the beautiful cake and this cooking robot. I hope you enjoy. Remember that we have this word here, cake. So we need to put it into this page and fill it all. Great job, guys.